I'm Arnaud Guédou. I'm the business director for photopolymers within BASF 3D PS in Germany. And I'm a strong believer in the solution with photopolymers to enable rapid manufacturing.
My name is Paul Holt. I'm the technical director of Photocentric. We are the leading company in LCD 3D printers. Working in partnership with BASF to enable the custom mass manufacture of industrial objects. BASF and Photocentric recognize the need to create functional parts, and the combined chemistry experience of BASF on the industrial mass manufacture of chemicals and the specific knowledge that Photocentric brought of how to apply these to the 3D printing sphere enables the two of us to combine to offer functional parts to a wide variety of industrial users.
And what Photocentric has been able to do today is to come with a real innovation with the LCD screens to make machines, hardware, that can really make systems reliable, effective, productive at a very affordable cost, and linking that with the right chemistry behind to enable the right properties and satisfying new applications. And so for us today, partnering with Photocentric enable new solutions and give us the opportunity together to go further onto the additive manufacturing and the applications.
So in 2 years we see a transformation in additive manufacturing. For the first time we will see its introduction into the industrial mass manufacturing sector. Currently 3D printing is pretty well just used for prototyping. The desire to make an industrial part that's fit to use and is at a cost that's acceptable is a dream that's not attainable. What we're currently doing is laying down a machine and chemistry that will achieve these aims. So in 2 years' time we can see companies decide to benefit from freedom of geometry, absence of tooling, and low-cost plastic manufacture in scale for the first time. It's a transformation that's just starting. The field that we've looked at first is the dental field, and we're looking at the production of dental model for the aligner manufacture and doing it in scale. I'm talking tens of thousands per day.
Today, if we want to go further in the application, in the mechanical properties, in the stability of the properties of the final part against UV, humidity, and also the fatigue and so on, we need to reinvent some new chemistry. We need to invent new raw materials. And that's where BASF can enter into the game to be able to invent this chemistry, to develop new raw material, to go further in the formulation and the application, but also to scale up these raw materials with all the regulation that there is around, with all the quality, stability from batch to batch that is needed to really satisfy the exigence of the manufacturing. And then there is no better chemical company that is able to do that. And linking that with the tools, with the expertise in 3D printing and the hardware, and also the chemistry of Photocentric, we have the best solution together to really engage rapidly additive manufacturing.